Today I'm doing a deep cleaning on my keyboard. I got it last year. It's very, very, very dirty. And I have a little friend right here. He's just waiting. So I just got all these off. And I'm about to go soak these. I'm using this fork to just pry them out. Ah! See, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just getting this whole part out right here, so. Oi! Yes. Oh, there's a big lump of wax and stuff here too. What is that? You guys, I don't know what this is, but it's like that right there. I have no idea what it is. It's like a piece of glue. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got all my cleaning supplies. So, first what we're gonna do, come on boy. So, it's time for his nap. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I just put him to sleep. Yeah, so I can clean. So, I need to get all this out. Thinking that was the wrong one. It's this one. There we go. Have no keyboard plugged in. As you can see, all the lights are off. And I need to clean this back. It's very dirty. My sister uses a lot. She spilled a bunch of milk on it. So first, and this is completely safe, you guys. You have to turn it off before you clean it, though. Ooh, this stuff is stuck on there. I'm trying scraping it off. It's like glue. Okay, so that we go. And now there you have it. That's the first one. Now so I'm just, since this is all wet, I'm cleaning the insides of my keyboard. But first I need to play out the rest of these. So there's this little metal piece. What the heck? It went with my space button. Now it's time to get all these. This is gonna take a long time. I do not know how to fast forward this. But we're just gonna have to deal with it. And don't worry, I know where everything goes. Just, I'm gonna have to be good at memorizing. Oh, dang it, I should have copied a paper before. But there's this button I press. And what I'll have to do is go somewhere and type in something like add a comment right there. Or let's see, Jeffrey Code. And that, so for a bit, okay. This is gonna be a deep cleaning. These are all the keys I got out already. What is that? Right there. Like, they're all dusty too. Ew. This is gonna be taking so long, I might do a part 2 of when I put everything in. Comment down below or give me a like if you played Da Hood on Roblox. Tell me if it's good because I've never played it, but it sounds... What the heck is that? I'll show you guys in a second once I clear this up. What the heck is this? That's how long I have it. These are all the crumbs. It's all dusty too. This is how dirty my keyboard actually is. Oh my gosh. So this is like super dirty. Come on, focus. A little bit there. I dropped one, but first I'm going to put these back. see, where did that little one go? So I dropped it somewhere. Was it just the sound I heard? Tell me if you guys see it. I don't see it now. I'm done for probably. Oh, it's probably this one. Flew somewhere, like, it was probably right there though. Oh my gosh. There we go. This is what my keyboard is looking like so far. Like, I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but this is it. So basically, if you saw this, like, still just trying to scrape this. Ew. This was like $300 keyboard and mouse, and my mouse kind of broke. So now I'm done for. But like, I didn't get in trouble because I had it for a very long time, like I already said. Ooh, these ones are hard to get out. But if my keyboard breaks, I'm going to be madder than ever. OMG. If you guys are wondering, why does he have this light button? It's to turn the lights on and off. For my keyboard, yeah, that's how expensive it was. And, well, bam, I'm done with this side, I guess. Ooh! That went out. So, this is what my keyboard is looking like. So, do I can't do transition. It's very hard. I know one is caps because it'll light on. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something. Where'd it go, frick? Oh, frick. No. No, I lost another one. Where the heck did it go? No. They like disappear. I think my keyboard clips are literally no clipping in the back. Okay, I'll go get that thing I was getting. I might not find it. I forgot where it was. Jeffrey! Yeah? was gone, I guess. Okay. Let's start picking these out now. Okay, I'm almost done. Except for these. Ah. I'm almost done, but these ones I can't pick out because they're buttons, not keyboard paddle things. So I'm surprised actually, because look at all the dust on the above right here. These are for the numbers, right? Look how clean they are. They have like a little bit of crust in them, that's all. I'm almost done and then I'll be so happy. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, this is hard. I don't think I can take out this ESC button. I'll need a charger or something. This is also like milk I just found out. So I'm just stabbing it. Ugh. It smells disgusting. So these are just all the keys except for this one. I can't take it out, but now I have this wool. And then I'll be filming part 2 tomorrow. And now I can't get on my computer now because I have to be silky knees. I dropped another one. There's freaking no clip. Oh, I found one. Okay. Where's the other one? So I'm gonna move my chair. Found this one, but I just dropped one. I guess there's still no clipping into the back rooms. Oh, I found another one. I think I found all of them. There we go. Let's go take them. These are all of them. They're crusty, dusty, and musty. Like crusty, dusty. So I'm going to be filling these up with water.
You want to try this banana bread?
I don't know.
What's that?
All the dirty stuff.
You pull them off? I can't believe you did that, dude.
Make sure they're actually right before you put it on.
Okay. And then this spread soap and like There. Now all I'm gonna do is get this plastic spoon, but it's washable. This is what the water is looking like, all clear. And then my part 2 video, which might come out like tomorrow of this, the water is gonna be all crusty, dusty. And only the paint will get off if it's in hot water, so I'm good. This is what they're looking like, and I bet they're gonna look so more shiny. I guess I'll try a piece, yeah. I'll try a piece. Let's see. Let me flip any of these. So here's 7 and 8. Where that is, but the last time I did the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.